Leo and the Secret Friend. Hello, my name is Leo. This is my bedroom. It is a small room. The walls are blue. I have a bed, a desk, and a chair. I am happy in my room. Look, what is this? There is a big box under my bed. The box is brown and old. I am very curious. Is it a toy? Is it a book? Leo pulls the box. It is heavy. He opens the lid slowly. It is dark inside the box. Hello? Leo says. Is anyone there? Suddenly, something moves. A small robot jumps out of the box. Hello, says the robot. My name is Pip. I am your new friend. Pip is very cute. He is silver and yellow. He has two big round eyes and a long antenna on his head. He can walk and he can talk. Are you hungry, Pip? Asks Leo. Pip nods his head. Leo goes to the kitchen. He finds a red apple and a yellow banana on the table. Leo gives the apple to Pip. Pip looks at the fruit. This is an apple, says Leo. It is red, Pip repeats. Red apple. Thank you. Now they go to the garden. The sun is big and yellow. The grass is green. There are beautiful flowers everywhere. Pip likes the garden. They see a cat on the fence. The cat is white and fluffy. Look, Pip, that is a cat, says Leo. The cat says, meow. Pip is very happy. It is late now. The moon is in the sky. Leo and Pip are tired. Good night, Pip, says Leo. Good night, Leo, says Pip. They are best friends.
Slowingo.
Main characters. Leo. Leo. My name is Leo. Pip. Pip. My name is Pip. Robot. Robot. A small robot jumps out of the box. Friend. Friend. I am your new friend. Cat. Cat. They see a cat on the fence. Settings and places. Bedroom. Bedroom. This is my bedroom. Room. Room. It is a small room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Leo goes to the kitchen. Garden. Garden. Now they go to the garden. Sky. Sky. The moon is in the sky. Adjectives. Small. Small. It is a small room. Blue. Blue. The walls are blue. Happy. Happy. I am happy in my room. Big. Big. There is a big box under my bed. Brown. Brown. The box is brown and old. 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 The box is brown and old. Curious. Curious. I am very curious. Heavy. Heavy. It is heavy. Dark. Dark. It is dark inside the box. Cute. Cute. Pip is very cute. Silver. Silver. He is silver and yellow. 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 He is silver and yellow. Red. Red. It is red. Green. Green. The grass is green. White. White. The cat is white and fluffy. Common objects. Bed. Bed. I have a bed, a desk, and a chair. Desk. Desk. I have a bed, a desk, and a chair. 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 I have a bed, a desk, and a chair. Box. Box. There is a big box under my bed. Lid. Lid. He opens the lid slowly. Antenna. Antenna. He has a long antenna on his head. Table. Table. He finds a red apple on the table. Apple. Apple. Leo gives the apple to Pip. Banana. Banana. He finds a yellow banana on the table. Sun. Sun. The sun is big and yellow. Grass. Grass. The grass is green. Flowers. Flowers. There are beautiful flowers everywhere. Fence. Fence. They see a cat on the fence. Moon. Moon. The moon is in the sky. Actions. Pulls. Pulls. Leo pulls the box. Opens. Opens. He opens the lid slowly. Says. Says. Hello, Leo says. Moves. Moves. Suddenly, something moves. Jumps. Jumps. A small robot jumps out of the box. Walk. Walk. He can walk. Talk. Talk. And he can talk. Asks. Asks. Are you hungry, Pip? Asks Leo. Nods. Nods. Pip nods his head. Finds. Finds. He finds a red apple. Gives. Gives. Leo gives the apple to Pip. Repeats. Repeats. Pip repeats, red apple. See. See. They see a cat on the fence. Quiz time. What is the name of the robot? What color are the walls? What fruit does Leo give to Pip? Write your answers in the comments.